We divide 944 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So, this 1 is less than 4. So, we put down this 4 and it is 14. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 2. So again, this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 944 divided by 4 is 236. So this much for today and thanks for watching.